Hello, I am Nilmani Gautam. Welcome to the website development course using PHP. Throughout the course, we would be writing PHP code and develop our own website. We would also host our website to real server and also apply for Google ADSENSE. To do this, we need local web server and a code editor. We would use Xampp as our local server and Sublime Text Editor as a code editor. Let's start directly by downloading Xampp Server on your PC. Open your web browser like Chrome. Search for Xampp. Click on Download for Windows or whatever your operating system is. Once download is completed, run it for installation process. Click on Next. Select all the components. Click on Next. Your Xampp will be installed in C drive, Xampp folder. After installation is completed, run the Xampp control panel. Choose the default language and click on Save. Now, before starting anything, let's create a new folder, named Website in our drive. We will set this folder as our root folder for our website. Click on Config at Apache, and choose httpd.conf. Now, scroll and change the website root folder location to your newly created folder location. Now save and exit the notepad. Finally, click on Start to run the Apache server. Close the Xampp, it will run in the background. Open your web browser and type localhost. If you see this screen, it's okay, because your website doesn't contain anything till now. Now in the next lecture, you will learn how to install Sublime and configure it, so that you will be ready to write the code.